Hello, I'm Tim Jackson. I currently cover the UK market for Locinox, and today I'm going to be talking about our new product on the market called the Excentro. Our Excentro product is a 180-degree hinge designed for ascending slopes, giving you the perfect solution for sloped driveways, which we typically see within the market currently. The Excentro hinge also gives you excellent entry and exit from the steepest of slopes, ranging from 2% to 35%. Within the Excentro, we also see a 15cm uplift from the bottom of the gate to the floor. A typical gate being 1.2 metre wide and 15 centimetres from the ground, you'll be able to decide on what setting you'll need to use on your hinge. Within our hinge we have 5 different variations. As we look from the chart, the instructions, it'll give you an example: 1.2 metre wide gate, 15 centimetre raise will give you the third setting on your hinge, thus using the third setting. If you aren't using the other 2 settings, you are happy to cut those free also to give it a neater finish on the gate. The Excentro is designed for left and right turning gates. In conjunction with the Excentro, it's important that we use our Rhino closer to give you that final speed and snap needed when using the Excentro. Our Rhino closer is designed for 1.5 metre wide gates, 150 kg. This will control your speed and your snap when using in conjunction with the Excentro, as seen here. Within the box of the Excentro, you will also see our Locinox M16 4D hinge, which works in conjunction with the Excentro. This giving it a ball bearing hinge, moving it left to right, giving that flexibility which is needed on the gate. Another key feature for the product. So all Excentro products within the box are all stainless steel components, Hotdip Galvanized, another key feature for us. Thank you for listening and thank you for your time. If you do require any information regarding our new product, the Excentro, please visit our website www.locinox.com. Alternatively, please drop us an email and we'll feel free to get back to you.